Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll learn how to add text on the plane surface as well as on the spherical surface in SolidWorks. So let's get started. First of all, we'll select here new, select part and click OK. Now we'll change this IPS to millimeter gram seconds. Okay, first we'll see how to add text on the plane surface, then we'll see how to add text on the sphere. Select front plane, select sketch. Now we'll select here center rectangle. Draw one rectangle here. Select smart dimension. Select this line. We'll make it 300. Again select this line. We'll make it 150 millimeter. Select. Now go to the features. Select extrude boss base. Increase this length and click OK. Now we'll apply fillet to the edges. Go to the fillet. Now select this face, this face, this face and this last one and click OK here. Now we'll make one plane here, then we'll add text. Go to the reference geometry, select plane. Select this small arrow. Here we have to choose first reference, so we'll select front plane as first reference. Increase this length. Click OK here. Now right click on the plane, select sketch. Select normal to. Now we'll draw one line here. Select line. Select smart dimension. We'll give distance 40 millimeter. Now select text. Type here anything you want. Now you can see the text is too small. Now we'll increase the size of the text. Uncheck this box and select font. Here we have so many options of font. You can choose any one of them. Font style we'll select bold. In the height unit you can put 5 mm, 10 mm or how much you required. In the points you can select any height up to 72. Now we'll select this 72 and click OK. You can see now the text is outside the block. So in this option of curve, we have to select this line and here we will select center align option and click OK. Now exit the sketch. Drop down this curve feature and select split line. In this option of sketch to project, sketch 4 has automatically selected. If it is not selected automatically, then you have to select it manually. Now in this option of faces to split, we'll select this face and click OK here. Hide this plane. Now you can see the text is applied on the face. Now we'll apply color. Go to the edit appearance. Select any color you want and click OK. Now we'll see how to add text on the sphere or cylindrical surface. Along with that, we'll see how to apply and edit the color of the text. You can save this part, select file and select save as. Now we'll select here new, select part and click OK. Again we'll change this IPS to millimeter gram seconds. Select front plane, select sketch. Now we'll select center point arc. Select smart dimension. We'll make it 100 millimeter. Again select line. Draw one line here. Select this line. Hold the control key. Select origin point and give relation midpoint. Click OK. Now the sketch is fully defined. Go to the features, select revolve boss base. In this option of axis of revolution, select this line. If you want full sphere, then keep it 360 degree. If you want semi sphere, then change it to 180 degree and click OK. Now we'll make one plane here. Go to the reference geometry, select plane. Select the small arrow. Select front plane as reference. We'll increase this distance and click OK. Again select plane 1. Select sketch. Select normal 2. Now we'll select here center point arc. Select smart dimension. Select this arc. We'll give radius 75 mm. Now select text. Here you can type anything or else copy and paste the text. Again we'll increase the size of the text. Uncheck this box. Select font. We'll keep the same font. We'll just change the font size to bold. Here in the fonts, we'll select size 72 and click OK. Now we'll select this arc as a reference curve. Now click OK. Exit the sketch. Now go to the curves, select split line. Here in the sketch to project, select the text and now select the spherical surface and click OK. You can see the text is applied on the sphere. If you want to apply straight text on the sphere surface, we'll see one example of that. Select plane, select sketch, select normal 2, select line. Now we'll draw one line here. Select smart dimension. We'll assign distance 40 mm. Select. Now again select text. We'll type here SolidWorks tutorial. Again we'll increase the size of the text. Here we'll select 48 and click OK. Select this line as reference curve and click OK here. Exit the sketch. Again go to the curve, select split line, select the text to project and select spherical surface and click OK. Now you can see the straight text is applied on the spherical surface. Now we'll apply color. Go to the edit appearance. Select any color you want. You can adjust the colors from here. And click OK here. Now we'll see how to apply color to the text. Select this text. Select appearance. Select this face 1. Now select any color you want. Now select all the letters to color. Now click OK here. This is how it's look from the top. This is from the side view. So today we have learned how to add text on the plane surface as well as on the spherical surface. Try to make it. If you have any query, ask in the comment section. If you find this video informative, like this video and subscribe to the channel for upcoming tutorials. Thanks for the watching video.